Hey guys, I'm going to discuss an interesting video editing tool. If you are a content creator, don't miss out the amazing video editing tool which is InVideo. With its plethora of features, InVideo makes video creation in a breeze. Easily trim and delete footage, record in one single take, adding subtitles, and much more, all without compromising the quality. Plus, you can easily find and navigate the words and remove the filler words, which is one of the biggest advantage, and adding overlays to the videos. And also, you can repurpose the content, which will be helpful to create shorter videos in the social media. With InVideo, you can also turn your ideas into reality and create engaging videos, which will save your time and effort. Don't wait any longer. Start creating incredible content with InVideo. Now, let me show you how this tool actually works in a real way. So, guys, let me take to the website. So, this is the website, guys, invideo.com. So, you can see here. And you can see here the special thing, there is a lifetime deal offering this website for over a period of time, so you can take chance of it, guys. And there is a refund of like 30 days. And these are the plans available right now with them, so you can simply purchase them. uh, so this is the dashboard of this, guys. I'm just logging into the tool. This is the dashboard of the tool, you can see here. So I have already created some of the videos by using this thing. I'm showing the demo of the tool, how to use the tool. So to take your own advantage of the tool, so you just need to head over to click here to upload. First of all, you need to upload some of the video over here. You can see here, guys, I'm just uploading a video over here. It is uploading. So once it uploaded, you can see it here. You can see this, guys. Here the video is automatically transcribing, which means like the subtitles of the video is automatically adding here inside the video. As I told you, this is not like a normal video editing tool, guys. It will completely change the way you edit the videos. So you can edit the videos with the help of text. Whenever you delete the text, the video will automatically delete. So it is the main usp of this video, guys. You can see here. So it is automatically transcribed the video whatever I have told you. So, guys, you can see here, uh, this is my video, and it automatically transcribed the video with subtitles, everything. So it is a script of my video whatever I have told. Like you can see here, I'll just play for over few seconds. Hi guys, welcome to the video. So guys, before going to the tool and technique, let me discuss the importance of the voice and text to speech. So guys, you can see here, uh, whenever it is moving, my video is playing, guys. You can see here yeah, in the progress bar. So here, now you can see the magic, guys. So basically, whenever we do the video, it is really difficult to edit the videos, right? But with this help of tool, that is a special. Whenever you remove certain word, it will automatically delete in particular video. I will show you, guys. And also, apart from that, you can see here the dots are available, which is like silences or pauses. You can say here, so you can silences and pauses. So here you can see it will automatically suggest something like small, medium, or large. You can simply apply it, and it will delete automatically. You can see here, guys. And also, uh, the thing, as I told you, like whenever you remove certain kind of text, it will automatically delete the video, will be deleted, right? So here you can see, I'll try to remove welcome to the video. Okay, you can see here. Once you have done it, so here I'm just again playing the video, guys. Hi guys. So guys, before going to the tool and technique, you can see here. So welcome to the video is not edited, right? So again, if I don't want to this whole sentence, I just remove it, guys. So you can even play from here to see content. Like we use voice in the podcast. It has a number of benefits. You can see here, guys, again it skipped this particular sentence. So this is the one of the main advantage of this tool, guys. And not only that, you can also, if the transcript it will give transcript more 90% accurate, but whenever sometimes if it incorrectly happens, you can edit this, guys. You can click on edit transcript and you can off. So like that you can edit that, guys. So in this way you can edit the subtitles. And apart from that, you can also see here there are a lot more features are there, guys. I'm just explain one by one. So this is the in the left hand side there is option card templates, right guys? You can head over to it, and you can also see here there is option of square 1:1 ratio, right? So if you are doing an Instagram story or Facebook story, it is a ratio is 9:16, and if you are doing a YouTube video, it is like 16:9 ratio for the video. So you can do it. And also there is option of standard. So in this way you can change the sizes of the videos, guys. And also other one other difference is like you can see here there is ready-made templates available. As I'm using here widescreen, just I'm keeping widescreen, you can see here is the entire magic thing happens, right? So this is my video. In this way it will play, guys. You can see here others and express ourselves. So this is the subtitles, guys, right? So you can see here this is the subtitles. So here again you can change like small, medium, or large sentences. And also here there is option of lines, like whether you want 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines. So you can see here 3 lines and 2 lines. And you can also change the subtitle. Voice is an important tool. You can also change the subtitles style, etc. So here you can see this, guys. This is about it. And you can also change the background while here, like as you see. And this is the ready-made template, guys. And also you can move, you can play around this, guys. You can see here you can transform it on here and there. So you can adjust as you want, guys. And apart from that, for example, you are doing particular video on this tool. For example, I'm doing an in video, right? Just I'm just checking one the suitable. You can see here big heading. So again you can play with these tools, guys, like bold, color, and size, everything you can. This is entirely so in this way you can add headings or something like that over here with the different styles. So and also this one more thing is there, guys, add text. So what does it mean? Like in this particular video, whenever it is playing, you want to add somewhere text, then you can do that, guys. And also you can add images as well and elements. I will show in the different things, guys. So let us keep for some time. And the one more thing is like as I told you, this in this video it is has a capacity to repurposing videos also, right? I'll just show you how it happens, right? So for example, this is the entire video, right? This is the entire video, and this is the script for entire video. But I want to make a video for only single particular topic. For example, this is the this paragraph is there. I want to do a video for this particular paragraph. So how can I do it? When we do in video editing with KineMaster or some other things, it will take a lot of time, and we need to release them every time, right? But with this help of tool we can easily create, guys, by creating snippets. You can see here I'm just highlighting the things. I'm just off. So I just selected the paragraph whatever I want to do video, guys. I just highlighted it with the color. You can see here, guys, I just highlighted, and I'm just creating a snippet, guys. You can see here all highlights, right? So it is duplicating project, guys. So guys, you can see here the magic begins, right? So in case of removing all the things, and it is very difficult. So you just created a snippet. Even you can make one more video with this tool, and you can again use this particular short video for any social media platforms like stories or YouTube shorts or wherever you want. So I just so this is the paragraphs you can see here. It has a number of benefits. So here if you want any image or text, right? So here there is option of add text, right? So if it's like flexibility, increasing. So in place of increasing I want text, right? I'm just else in particular video, in particular scenario, here I want to add some text. So I just simply click on it here, guys. Here the video is text. uh, Here the duration is selected, right? And you can also change the duration over here, guys. Like here in particular area your text need to be displayed, right? So this is the example. Okay, so you can play here, guys. I'll just show you.
Voice is the most expressive instrument
You can see here, guys. This is the duration as we kept. If you want change the duration, this is again you need to play with it, guys. So here in this way you can add text inside the video, and also you can add image to the video as well as. So in place of intention,
intention.
I want an image, so I just click on it. Again you can research it, guys. uh, and also here again the same way you can adjust the duration, guys. So from here to here the image will be displayed, right? You can see it.
Intention, the way the text cannot, and it also use it to create
You can see this, guys. So in this way you can add image. Also you can resize the image as well as. You can resize, you can keep it here or inside the video or wherever you want. You can it is everything is this tool is like really simple, guys. And the best thing, you can see here again, duration, right? And also you can search as well as, like for example you need a image of book. So you can see here, guys, the book image of the book is appeared. So you just need to click on and you can use it. So this is the image option, this is the text option, guys. Subtitle, template, everything done. And also as I told you, you can change the background as well as, or you can use ready-made templates available. And now coming to the elements. So here what similar to the images, you can add emojis or something like that to make more interactive. So you can see here,
make a podcast more engaging.
so here in the image you can also change the sizes in this way. And similarly you can keep the duration of it as well as. So it will increase the duration and emojis, etc. So in this way you can play with elements, image, and text, guys. And also here there is option of watermark. You can upload your own watermark, it will display over here. And one more thing is like animations. So here another thing which will, you can simply delete it, guys, if it doesn't require. So another one more important thing in this video editing tool is animation, guys. Like other animations it doesn't make but it has its own and different style of animations, guys. This tool has different kinds of animation. So you can see here this is a progress bar which is moving around from the top of canvas, bottom of canvas, and left and right of video.
And
So and also we can add right or left. So I'm just doing right, and you can position, move forward. You can see here,
text to
guys.
speech is nothing but converting a text into a speech.
So this is moving right, it will move up to forward, and it will cover whole the video.
So let us see importance of voice in the
So this is one more advantage for you guys. And you can see here in the corner also it will automate.
podcast. As we discussed,
So in that way you can edit the videos, guys. And also you can split the videos if you need. You can see here. And if you want to reconnect again, you can just click over here this way. So this is how it works, guys. And also you can copy text and other options are there. This is a progress bar color. So you can give the progress bar color, opacity, and advanced styles. You can see here this is a progress bar. So this is about this dashboard, guys. Once you have done editings, all the editings whatever I have told, you can also change the name of you can say MV. So you can also duplicate this project, guys, to edit some other things in this way. So you can duplicate. So this is about the tool, guys. So once you have done all the things, what are the changes you have, you just need to click on download, guys. So here again there are two options will come, like one is video and audio files, and another thing is subtitles and transcript file. So if you are going to make a YouTube video or other things, if you need subtitles, you can also get subtitles. Else you can directly click on video and audio files. So once you kept tick mark on it, just click on prepare to download. So it will take some time to download the video, guys. You can see here even the rendering of the video is also very fast. And one more thing is for this particular software there is no installation in the computer or desktop, guys. It is directly cloud based. So you can edit the videos on without installing the particular software. Just with your login details is enough, guys. More than enough. So you can see here, guys. Once you click on download, here there is option of video and as well as audio. So uh, just click on video clip and save link as just give name and it will automatically download, guys.
It has a number of benefits like flexibility, increasing productivity, increase saving time. Text to speech is nothing but converting a text into a speech. So let us see importance of voice in the podcast. As we discussed, voice is the most expressive instrument we humans have, and it conveys our emotion and intention the way the text cannot, and it also uses it to create connection with the listener. So voice can make a podcast more engaging and enjoyable to listen to. Also, the voice has importance in the YouTube role too. It helps in engaging the viewers and keeps the attention of the users instead of rolling a content without the voice.